What's up guys, a very short update on the price of Bitcoin because we had this huge drop from basically $10,000 to almost $8,000. Well, the price now is like $8,500, $8,400, but still the lowest point was very close to 8,000. And well, this is basically what I've been telling you from like $7,600, something like that. The higher we go without correction, the deeper correction will be eventually. And yeah, we had this wedge over here, and as soon as we broke that wedge, yeah, that's basically what happened. We are still in the same ascending channel, but well, the inertia of this drop is very huge, and if you'd consider that it would be like a correction of the whole rise from like $4,000 or even lower, then well, you might expect something like 61.8%, which is around $6,000. Well, I don't say that it will necessarily go there, but you know, I mean, it's really possible even within the framework of simple correction, and from that point we can continue to grow, and that would be okay. But at the same time, such a huge drop may initiate like a massive snowballing effect, and then $6,000 may not hold, and then we may feel the whole rise from $4,000. That's the threat of such a move, such a rise without corrective moves, which I was worrying about, and that's basically what is happening. Another thing is that tomorrow there will be the new session from stocks, American markets, and those look pretty dangerous to me right now. So if they will start to go lower, then Bitcoin might continue going with them, and basically it will be just the beginning of the drop. Well, I don't want to sound like gloomy right now, but it's just one possibility here. Still, again, we are within the rising channel. As soon as we are not breaking the lowest point, something like around $8,100, we are still okay. But again, things may develop very fast, like here. As soon as we broke this support of this wedge, you see, we just dropped very fast. Somebody could draw here bearish flag with the target somewhere around $7,400 or $500, and yeah, it's also possible. And again, although that might be enough for the corrective move for the whole rise here, but at the same time the inertia is too huge. So I would say that the most reasonable thing to do right now is to wait and see how the whole process of the drop will end, and whether it will end at a certain point and we'll see some consolidation, some signs of the end of the drop, some reversals, and some bullish things. From that point we can make a decision whether we want to trade from there or not. So far it's catching a knife which is falling right now. I mean, you can get hurt from that. So again, it's just my personal opinion. It's better to wait and see what will happen. Of course, there is halving event, but you know, it's a kind of a meme, and there's a gap, will be probably a gap on CME futures, which closed at $10,030. Still, it's there is no guarantee that it will be filled like within next week or something like that. It may be filled like next year or something. So yeah, my main point here today is that we should be careful, and let's see what chart will tell us and trade accordingly. Yeah, short update guys. I hope that you didn't suffer from that drop, and maybe some of you even took a short order here, but if not, then don't worry, probably you will get more chances eventually to do proper trades. And yeah, so far that is it for today. I hope that it was useful to some extent, and see you in the next videos guys. Goodbye.